Intelligence Service uses my whiskers to send messages. Here, listen. What do you think that is? No idea, but he's sweet, and he seems to enjoy it. What's that? Good Lord, I'm one lucky bastard. Stay away! Stay away! I've earned it! This is my money! Oh, you human. No respect. How could you take it away from me?
Gimme. Seriously?